Hey guys, what's going on? Amiduloshi here. So today I'm very excited to show you my iPad 2 is back. So without further ado, let's get started. This video I just doing of re-unbox since this iPad is re-alive. So now let's open the box. Wow, original plastic. We bought this back in 2013 when it was new. Very nice. So now let's peel off the plastic. And now let's turn on the iPad. Wow. So this is the story. I've used my laptop, iTunes, and connect it. Try to restore and leave it at like a half an hour, and can't believe the iTunes runs and fully restore. So now back to life. As you can see, everything works well. I'm very happy that this iPad is back with fully working. Very nice. I'm so happy. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this iPad 2 is back in 2023 in the comment below and suggest for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.